Hello and welcome back to my channel, and this is a new week, and we are going to be talking about YouTube posting habits that will get you views. So in the past I've been struggling to get like when I post a video, I get like 1 view, 2 people viewing, 3 people, like very little views. So I have learned a few tricks that I'm going to share with you today that have actually increased my views from actually when I was struggling to now I have like 5,000 views. So I'm really happy for that, and I'm glad to share what has really increased my views from very low views to very high. And one of the things that I've noticed is working is the consistency. When you post consistently, then your viewers are able to access your content, they're able to view, and therefore you're getting your views. So initially I was only posting very erratically, like I was not like having a schedule of posting. And now when I started having a schedule and making my content in advance, then I noticed that there comes the consistency. There is a stress that comes like when you like to post something and you're preparing the content on the same day. There's so much pressure because you want to do the shooting, you want to do the editing, you want to do the posting. So that pressure kind of takes away the fun that for you, if you're only doing content, at least it has to be enjoyable. So if you're only rushing to do all the things at the same time, then it takes away the joy. So try to do your content way ahead in advance. So for example, you can plan a whole month of content and decide like how many times in a week you want to post. So like for me, I'm posting twice a week. That's on Mondays and on Thursdays. That's the long videos. And then once in a while, almost every day, I'm posting the YouTube shorts. And all these, I set them in advance so that I'm not under pressure to feel like I have to just grab something from there and post. So plan your content in advance. When you do the shooting, batch your content so that you're able to see like I am posting for this week, I'm posting this part. So you can do, let's say, one topic and then split it into 2. So you have content for the whole week. That's for if you're posting twice a week. If you're posting once a week, then you can do your content like way in advance, so that only in the course of the week is when you're doing the editing or polishing up, or if you get a new idea, then you're only adding the new ideas, not starting from scratch. So consistency and batching your content, I think that is really very important. And also letting your viewers know how often you're posting your content, and also like keeping that. If you say you're posting twice a week, then keep that so that your viewers are able to follow. So if you follow these 3 things, batching your content, being consistent, and keeping your frequency, then I am sure that you're going to get views and you're not struggling. So yeah, let's implement this and see how this helps us to grow our YouTube channel. So thank you for now. See you next time.